Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Dodge Journey headrest. Many owners experience issues like a headrest that won't adjust, feels loose, or rattles while driving. These problems often stem from a simple internal mechanism that can become dislodged or worn. Don't worry, it's usually a straightforward fix that you can handle yourself with just a few basic items. We'll walk through the process together, making it easy to understand. Before we begin, let's make sure you have the right tools on hand. You'll primarily need a flathead screwdriver, which is great for gently prying. A small pick tool can also be very helpful for reaching into tight spaces or manipulating small components. And of course, a good flashlight will illuminate those tricky areas, ensuring you can see exactly what you're doing. These simple items are likely already in your toolbox. Now let's get to the repair. First, gently pry off the plastic trim pieces located at the base of the headrest posts using your flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to scratch anything. Once the trim is off, you'll expose the internal mechanism. Look for a small metal tab or button inside the post. Press this tab firmly while simultaneously pushing or pulling the headrest to adjust it. You should feel it click into place. After adjusting, give your headrest a good test. Push and pull on it to ensure it's firmly locked and doesn't wobble. Try adjusting its height a few times to confirm the mechanism is working smoothly. Once you're satisfied, snap the plastic trim pieces back into place. This simple fix can significantly improve your driving comfort and safety. Remember, a properly functioning headrest is crucial for passenger protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.